Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about Vechain coin. What's the current price of Vechain, what's the next move of Vechain, and this video I will show you friends. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe in our ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Vechain. As you can see, the current price is about 0.199003 USD dollar is the current price of Vechain coin. And if we talk about the chains occur in the Vechain, so the last 1 hour chain as negative, the last 1 day chain is also negative, and last 1 week chain is also negative. Oh my god, it's only false and false occur in the Vechain coin friends. What's gone to Vechain coin? It's gone wrong friends. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Vechain coin, what's the price change goes in the last 1 week friends. As you can see here, if we talk about the price change occur in the last 1 week, so the price change is about negative 19.94% negative change occur in the Vechain coin. Oh my god, they really saved my heart at this time friends. If we talk about the highest price of the Vechain, so the highest price is about 0.249815 USD dollar is the highest price of Vechain coin, and the current price at this time the Vechain price in the market is about 0.199061 USD dollar is the current price of Vechain coin friends. If we talk about the price prediction chart of the Vechain coin and do a technical analysis that what's the next move coming in a Vechain coin, so we have to do a technical analysis. Let's suppose that is our support line friends, and that is our resistance line friends, as you can see here friends. For example, let's suppose now friends, if we talk about it this time, take a jump again, fall down and break the support line, and again they had to jump in. Now as you can see, they continue still between these two lines, and now I hope they can take a jump at this time friends, and hope there is a 70% chances that they break this resistance, and resistance becomes support in the future friends. So my suggestion is positive about Vechain coin friends, that's the next jump coming soon in the Vechain coin friends. What's your opinion about Vechain coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channels for more this kind of latest news and updates.